Singing is breathing. We can live for many days without food or water, but we cannot live without the next breath. And neither can your singing. There's a few different kinds of ways to breathe, and we're going to discuss them here. If you do Pilates and yoga, you will find that they do a clavicular breath where you breathe in and the chest comes up and the stomach goes in. This is not ideal for lyric singing. We want the breath to come all the way down to the third lobe of the lung. And to do that, the chest stays still and the stomach comes out. Ready? Watch this, okay? So I'm going to breathe in through the shape of a straw. See? The tummy comes out because it's being forced out by the lung being filled with air. Okay, exhale. Let's do this again. Breathe all the way down. Marvelous! We're going to use some breathing exercises now. I love breathing exercises. If you have anxiety, they are very useful. If you're sweating backstage before a performance, I always recommend doing breathing exercises. I do them with my students because when you're doing a breathing exercise, you can only breathe and count. And that is how you put your mind back in your body, because that's what anxiety is when your mind is somewhere else. So we're going to start with something called triangle breathing. Triangle has 3 sides. We're going to inhale for 3. We're going to hold it for 3, and we're going to exhale for 3. We're going to do it 3 times in a row. Make sure you're taking the whole 3 counts to inhale. Don't inhale everything on the first count and then clench and hold, okay? So 1, 2, 3, inhale. Hold it. Exhale. Inhale. Hold it. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Hold it. Exhale. Done. How do you feel? How did it feel to breathe in and out in this way, to be really focused on the breath? Did you heave? Were you doing a clavicular breath? Were you doing a cool breath that went all the way down to the stomach? Okay, now that we've done triangle breathing, we're going to do squared breathing. Same principle, except now it's for 4 counts. We're going to inhale for 4 counts. We're going to hold it for 4 counts. We're going to exhale for those whole 4 counts, and then we're going to hold it for 4 counts. While you are waiting for those 4 counts to end, just notice how it is to wait for that inhale, okay? So that you're not clenching, right? So 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Hold it. Exhale. Hold it. Second time, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hold it. Last one. Here we go. Exhale. And stop. Just breathe normally. How was that? Was that more difficult than triangle breathing or less difficult? I noticed my chest was heaving at the end. Were you losing your posture as well? It's easy to do the technique on the first one. It's harder on the 4th one. Some speed round, other breathing exercises. You're going to breathe in and exhale, counting to 20. I can't make it, eh? I only get to 18, but let's try it together. Ready? I made it. Okay, other exercises, breathing in, smelling the roses. How good is that? Notice where it goes. Let's do it one more time. It's a very low breath, isn't it? Okay, breathing in through a straw. Marvelous.